question 1 on exercise, which exercise are we on these days? 4.10, okay? From the list the following 5 curve descriptions match each one with the correct common shape. So what is A? A is negatively skewed. B, you know it's negatively skewed because there's a tail further towards the left. Tail left is negatively skewed. Tail right, positively skewed. So you know A is negatively skewed, C is positively skewed. B is a reverse J shape because you can see that it keeps going downwards and then it flattens out towards the ends. D is uniform and rectangular. Basically means it's the same all the way through. It doesn't vary. Okay. Then after that we have the normal distribution, which is number E. Okay, or letter E is normal distribution, the bell curve. Okay. Now number 2. The yearly income of workers in the Netherlands is given out by the following table. 0 to 40,000 is 30%, 40 to 80,000 is 40%, 80 to 120 is 15, 120 to 160 8, and 4% 2%, 1%. It says draw a histogram and hence a frequency polygon to illustrate the data shown. So what you would do here is you draw your histogram. So what the numbers on the y-axis represent is the percentages, and the numbers on the x-axis represent the intervals of how much money they make. Once you have the histogram drawn, to draw the frequency polygon, what you do is you go to the middle of each rectangle, you go to the top and the middle of each rectangle, and you draw a dot. Then you link all these dots up together, and what you'll get is your frequency polygon. How would you describe this distribution? Well, the tail is to the right. That means it's positively skewed. Okay, so that's all you got to do there. Positively skewed because the tail is to the right. Okay. Next question is going to be question 3. A research physician obtained the following histogram with a sample of 400 diabetics. So it's basically the ages of people who have diabetes. You're profiling what age are the people who have diabetes, okay? Is this distribution symmetric? No, it's symmetric, it's the same on both sides. Is it the same on both sides?
No.
No, we can see that the tail to the left is slightly negatively skewed. Would you agree with that?
Yeah.
Because the tail is going to the left. Is distribution symmetric? No. Identify the overall shape of the distribution. What do you say for that? Negatively skewed. Okay. By considering the shape of the distribution, it is helpful to observe the number of peaks. The number of peaks is basically what's the highest 2 points on your graph. We can see there's 2 of them, can't we? Yeah. The 40 to 50 bracket and the 60 to 70 bracket, both tied on 80 results. Okay. It goes highest. The distribution is said to be unimodal if it has 1 peak. That's a unimodal right there. Bimodal if it has 2 peaks, and multimodal if it has 3 or more peaks. So this one here is multimodal. We have what type? We have a bimodal distribution. Okay, bimodal. Okay. All right. Next question. The following frequency histogram. The following frequency histogram for the number of students, number of questions answered correctly on an 8-question fraction quiz by each of the 50 students in the 6th class primary school. State the overall shape of the graph. So what we're looking at here, guys?
Positively skewed.
Positively skewed because the tail is coming towards the end. So we're going positively skewed. And can anybody tell me? State where distribution is unimodal, bimodal, or multimodal. Unimodal because it only has 1 peak. Okay, and that's basically it for that